At 47, Psy, the man behind Gangnam Style, is finally opening up. The song that made him a global icon also made him a prisoner of his own fame. It was the first YouTube video to hit 1 billion views. It sparked flash mobs, parodies, and even a dance craze that reached the White House. Yeah, even Obama joked about it.
As I mentioned to President Park, my daughters have taught me a pretty good Gangnam Style.
But behind the sunglasses and horse dance was a man overwhelmed. So, what were the 7 years that changed and nearly broke Psy? Let's find out. It was July 15th, 2012. Psy dropped Gangnam Style, a satirical jab at Seoul's elite lifestyle. The video was colorful, absurd, and instantly addictive. That horse dance? Iconic. Within months, it became the most viewed video on YouTube, the first ever to cross 1 billion views. 1 billion views. It was everywhere. Ellen DeGeneres danced it with Britney Spears. Barack Obama joked about it. Ban Ki-moon called it a force for world peace. But Psy, he wasn't ready for what came next. 1. Global fame overnight. Psy went from Korean pop star to global celebrity in weeks. He couldn't walk through airports without being mobbed. "I was recognized everywhere, even in places I'd never been," he said. 2. The pressure to follow up. Every label wanted another Gangnam Style. Psy admitted, "I was chasing something I couldn't recreate." His next singles, Gentleman, Hangover, got views, but never matched the original. 3. Mental health struggles. He battled anxiety and burnout. The spotlight was relentless, and he felt trapped by his own success. He described feeling exhausted and lost. Loss of artistic freedom. Suddenly, every song had to be viral. He couldn't experiment. He couldn't evolve. "I became a product, not a person," he said. 5. Cultural misunderstanding. Many fans saw Gangnam Style as a joke. Few understood its satire or Psy's deeper message about class and identity. He felt misrepresented. 6. Isolation from home. He spent years touring globally, away from Korea, family, and friends. Fame had a cost, and it was personal. 7. Being the meme guy. Psy became a meme, not a musician. He said, "People didn't see me as an artist, just a punchline." Even in Korea, he was treated more like a novelty than a respected performer. In 2022, Psy returned with That, produced by BTS's SUGA. It was a hit, but more importantly, it was on his terms. He now runs his own label, P Nation, supporting artists like Jessie, Hyunae, and Crush. Psy isn't chasing virality anymore. He's building something lasting. "I'm finally free to be myself again," he said. That's growth. At 47, Psy admits, Gangnam Style gave him everything and nearly took it all away. But he's still here, still dancing, still redefining what it means to go viral and survive it. And maybe that's the real legacy. This was Who Was Behind It. Subscribe for more meme legends, internet mysteries, and digital nostalgia explained.